Everyone, welcome back. So this is the continuation video of the one that we just did, showing you how to make your PayPal buttons. Now I'm going to show you how to put them into your back office on Easy One Up. So in the custom payment information in this box right here, you're basically going to put directions of how they can pay. However you're accepting your payment, since most of us are doing PayPal, you can put something like that. And then have them choose the level that they want. So go ahead and put please choose the level that you would like to purchase, and then this is how I set mine up, so elevation, E-light, and vertex. And then those links that we made, we need to shorten on Bitly. And the reason that I say to use Bitly instead of Google is because Google is getting rid of that feature in March. So the people who currently use Google to do their link shortening are fine. Their links will still be good and they will still be useful to redirect after they take that feature off. But after March, nobody new will be able to make shortened links on Google. So go ahead and just use Bitly. So you're going to come over here to Bitly, and if you don't already have an account, it's free. Go ahead and make one. Click Create. And then that little notepad that we had with those long links, you're going to copy these links one at a time. And go back over here to Bitly. You're going to paste the long link in there and click Create. You can customize that if you'd like. Like on mine, I put which training package it was. So you can just delete that and put vertex and then click save down here at the bottom and it will save it. I already have buttons made, so I'm not going to make another one. And then the button that you just saved will be right here, and you can just click copy. After you go ahead and copy that, you're going to go back to your Easy One Up page and put that shortened link next to the description of the package that they are to purchase. So as you can see on mine, the bit.ly link is right there, and then I put the description as elevation E-light, one up, and then it matches with the description on this side. Of course, put the price in there. And then after that, put something so that they can connect with you. I put, after you make your payment, make sure to connect with me via Facebook, or you can call or text my business number, and I put my Facebook link in here, which is also shortened on Bitly. I suggest any kind of link you're putting in here, shorten it. And then I put my business phone number. Now, you need to make these links clickable, so pay attention to the instructions right here. It tells you exactly how to make them clickable. So as you can see on all of the links that I have here, I have the brackets with URL in the beginning and then the brackets with the slash URL at the very end. So you need to do this on every single link that you have in here. See how I have it on my Facebook one as well. Do this on every link that you put in here so that they become clickable. It explains it right down here for you, so make sure that you do that unless your links won't be clickable. All right, so I think that's about it, and in the next video I'll show you what this looks like.